Do you want to give your users an easy way to sign up for your site's mailing list? Or would you like to automatically add customers to your mailing list when they fill out and submit a form on your site? Building your email list can not only help you market your business, but it can also help you stay in touch with the almost 96% of customers who visit your site but don't make a purchase. It's absolutely crucial to build an email list for all successful online businesses, but integrating your site's forms with your email marketing service can sometimes be kinda tricky, not to mention pricey. Luckily, the GetResponse add-on by WPForms has got you covered. The GetResponse add-on allows you to connect any of your contact forms with your GetResponse account and automatically add users to your mailing list each time they fill out and submit a form on your site. Once inside the form builder, you can add a connection between your GetResponse account and WPForms on your site. The add-on allows you to select which email list and segment the subscriber should be added to, offering you full flexibility over your form entries. You can even use our built-in conditional logic to allow users to decide whether or not they'd like to automatically be added to your mailing list once they submit the form on your site. This way, you can count on the security and reliability of WPForms to collect and send your form submissions to your GetResponse account without needing to fuss with any third-party integration plugins. Over 6 million smart business owners, designers, and developers use WPForms to build smarter forms. What are you waiting for? Get started with WPForms today.